So, what is really happening with the DJI Avata 360? For a drone that was supposed to launch months ago, it has gone unusually quiet. Late last year, everything seemed lined up perfectly. Promotional images mysteriously surfaced. Regulatory certifications were confirmed. Even pricing details leaked on Chinese social platforms. Then in January, real-world photos of the Avata 360 appeared online. These confirmed that this drone was not just an early concept. It was not an experimental prototype. Now we are deep into February, and there is still no official announcement. That silence raised many eyebrows across the drone community. To get real answers, I contacted a reliable source in China. What he revealed confirms one thing without any doubt. The Avata 360 is real. It is finished. It is ready. The delay is not about development problems. It is about strategy. It is about competition. DJI wants to get this ambitious drone absolutely right before release. The DJI Avata 360 is not just a rumor. It has already passed regulatory approvals. This only happens when a product is production ready. The leaked images online are genuine. They place this drone at a very advanced stage. So why has DJI not pulled the trigger yet? The first reason is competition and timing. DJI initially planned to launch ahead of the Insta360 anti-gravity drone. That was expected in early 2026. However, Insta360 moved faster. They launched earlier than expected. That sudden move forced DJI to slow down. They had to rethink their approach. They did not want to rush a product into a crowded space. The second reason is software maturity. This is much more important. The Avata 360 is not a traditional FPV drone. It is a hybrid platform. It merges aggressive FPV flight with full 360-degree image capture. That combination creates massive technical challenges. Stitching 360 footage is hard. Exporting large files is difficult. Optimizing mobile apps takes time. Ensuring smooth editing workflows is vital. Releasing the drone too early with half-baked software could hurt DJI's reputation. There is also the issue of global regulations. The Avata 360 has FCC certification. But that does not guarantee sales approval everywhere. This is especially true in the US market. Because of this uncertainty, DJI is prioritizing Asia first. They are adjusting global pricing to offset market restrictions. As for launch timing, the latest leaks suggest a mid-March release. DJI is using this extra time wisely. They are integrating newer technologies from their latest drones. Pricing information from Chinese sources still appears reliable. The base version includes the drone and one battery. It is expected to cost 2,988 yuan. That is roughly $450. Global pricing will likely be closer to $500. This entry-level version targets users who like autonomous flying. It features advanced tracking modes similar to the Mini 5 and Neo 2. Gesture controls are also rumored. You might see voice commands and Wi-Fi control. There is even talk of Apple Watch integration. More advanced bundles are also planned. A version with the RC2 controller may cost $600 in China. That will likely be $700 globally. Fly More and FPV bundles will approach $1,000. This depends on accessories like goggles and motion controllers. The headline feature is the 360-degree capture. Dual lenses record upward and downward footage. Each lens covers 180 degrees. AI stitching creates a seamless 8K 360 image. This makes the drone itself disappear from the shot. Camera specs are expected to rival the Osmo 360. This includes 120-megapixel photos and 8K video. The transmission range is improved up to 20 kilometers. Battery life is slightly better at around 25 minutes. One thing is absolutely clear. The DJI Avata 360 is not designed for beginners. Both FPV flight and 360 content creation require experience. You need powerful hardware. You need serious editing skills. This drone is for creators who want full freedom. It is for those willing to master the craft. If these leaks are accurate, the Avata 360 could be DJI's most innovative drone. It blends immersive visuals with raw performance. We have never seen anything like this before. For professionals, this could change everything. It changes how aerial content is captured. It changes how it is experienced. My opinion, this is a revolutionary move by DJI. By combining 360-degree cameras with FPV agility, they are effectively killing the need for two separate devices. If the $450 price point holds true, it will disrupt the entire market and leave competitors like Insta360 struggling to catch up. This is the future of content creation. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your drone pilot friends. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a tech leak. Thanks for watching.